This is our windmill generator. Hi, welcome to Scientific Thinkers, and today we are gonna open a steam toy.
And what is the steam toy you're going to open today, Pragna?
A windmill generator.
Nice. So what do you think is a windmill generator?
I think a windmill generator is when you put something on a bottle and you put something on a bottle and then it'll make something a windmill.
Okay, let's start thinking about the words. What do you think wind is?
Wind is when the wind blows too hard.
Yes, wind is when the air blows, and that is called wind. And generator? What does a generator do?
What does a generator do?
It produces electricity. So you generate something, and the windmill generator produces electricity when the wind blows. So what it does is it converts the blowing of wind into a different form of energy. So why don't we open this and see what's inside and how do we make this?
Okay.
And when you open it, show what all it has.
So let's keep the box away. And now it shows all this. This is the instruction, and here's the little fan that is under the fan, and here is all the equipment that we need.
You can show what is this.
This is the little fan, and this is the tail on the back.
What do you think this is?
The wire and the LED connected.
Yes,
Together.
and you know what will happen when the air moves the turbine and those fans, it's going to convert it into electricity, which will light up the bulb. Nice. Look at this. What is this?
Here's a little gear right here. And I think this is the base plate.
Nice. All
and
right.
here is the motor and screws.
Perfect. Now let's look at the instructions.
Okay.
What do you do first?
D. Assembling. Assembling the housing. Fix the LED unit to the lower part of the front housing. 2. Thread the wires through the bottom hole in the black housing. Let's read 3. Push the two halves of the housing together.
Okay.
Housing.
This is the second half of the housing. Can we see this? Okay. So this is pointing downwards. You know why we have these two cables, red and black?
So I think there's gonna be some other wires connected to the motor, so they both can connect to the LED light bulbs, and then the motor will give power to the light bulb, and then that's how the light bulb will turn on.
Okay. You can now close these two. Can you show once you close it how it looks?
This is how it looks.
Good. Is it done?
4. Screw the housing with 4 screws. Yeah.
Very
This
nice. Now what's the next part?
Assemble 5. Assemble the two half screw caps around the lower part of the housing. Secure them with 2 screws. Put a little cooking oil on top of the caps to help housing turn freely.
Let's do it. All right, what's the next step?
Okay. Connecting the wires. 6. Connect the red wires and the black wires to the metal tagged on the motor, as shown opposite. The LED will not work if they are connected the other way around, with the plastic base of the motor facing you and the metal tags facing down. The red wire should be at your left and the black wire at your right. Thread the bare of each wire through the hole in its tag. Bend it over and gently twist it to secure it.
Okay, so why are we connecting the wires to the motor?
Because this motor will give power to the LED light bulbs, and then the LED light bulb will start working.
Yes, you're not connecting the red and black together, right? Because red and black have to be separate.
Yeah.
So you're connecting the red one with which?
This opposite way and this way. Got it.
Okay, and now what it says, thread the bare end of each wire through the holes in its tag, bend it over and twist it. Installing the motor. Insert the gear end of the motor into the housing as shown. This is the gear end, right? This is a gear. What is a gear?
It's
This,
that is a gear.
right? So gear end goes inside. See, it goes where?
Inside.
Why does it go inside?
So this gear is attached to this gear, and then it'll go round and round.
Exactly.
This will move this little tiny gear,
Yes.
and then go around.
Yes. So that's what we have to do now. We have to move the gears so that so the wind will move the big gear, then it's going to move the small gear, and then it will generate power. Okay. Do you think it went inside properly? Can you check?
Plus a little more, and there.
Oh, nice. Are the two gears interlocking when you move the big one? Is the small one also moving?
Yes, the small one is also moving.
Very good. That's very nice. Okay. Now what's the next one?
8. Adding the rotor. Push the rotor onto the rotor shaft.
Okay.
I think this is the rotor.
Okay, we'll figure that out. Adding the tail. Push the tail into the hole in the back of the motor cover. So perfect. Now let's just put the tail. We'll put the screws later. And we need one more thing to finish this assembly now. And what is that?
A water bottle, an empty water bottle.
Very good.
Now this is the top part.
Okay, what do we do now?
Now we put this into the bottle.
Oh, nice. Can you screw that? Does it screw well on the bottle?
Maybe I have to just push it hard. Yeah, I think I got it.
We should always recycle a bottle, right?
Yeah.
You have to screw it. Screw it on the bottle.
This.
Yes. Good job. Okay. Now, what do you think will happen?
I think this will go like boom.
And then,
And the light will glow.
yes,
And
I
if this is also a bulb, then this will glow.
yes, yes. How do you think this works? What is happening? See, they've explained what is happening here. We'll get a fan and then we see how it moves. But what happens is when this fan rotates, this is a motor. And what happens? In motor, you have two magnets. See, in this motor, there are two magnets on two sides. So
one here and one here.
yes, and when this rotates, then the magnets on the motor will what will happen? They'll create a current.
They'll create a current.
Yes, because the magnets will the rotor is moving, and then the magnets create a current, and that magnet then the current then goes and lights
This little LED light bulb. So this is our
windmill
This is our windmill
generator.
generator. This is our windmill generator. Bye. Subscribe, share, and leave us a comment. And let us know what else should we open. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.